Hi friends, I'm Ankit and today I will show you how to see log chats in WhatsApp.
Friends, as you all know, now on WhatsApp you can hide and lock your chat with anyone. So to open a locked chat, you simply need to open WhatsApp. Now to open the chat windows which you have locked, you simply need to press on locked chats. Now here again you need to enter the password. Now here you will find all the chats which you have logged.
So friends, like this you can very easily see log chats in WhatsApp.
I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.